سننتقل مباشرة إلى سيدة. هل هي الدكتورة شونا؟ طيب ممتاز. في انتظار أن تلتحق بنا الدكتورة كيلا سنذهب إلى كلمة الدكتورة شونا بانديا، رائدة الفضاء ومديرة البحوث الطبية في Orbital Assembly Corporation. ينطبق عليها كثيراً بيت الشاعر أبو الطيب المتنبي: إذا غامرت في شرف مروم فلا تقنع بما دون النجوم. لنستمع إليها.
Good afternoon, Islamic World Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, and thank you so much for having me here with you to kick off 2021 Year of the Woman. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Dr. Shona Pandya, and I'm a physician, scientist, astronaut candidate with Project Possum, aquanaut, explorer, pilot in training, skydiver, martial artist, VP of Immersive Medicine with Luxonic Technologies, and Director of Medical Research with Orbital Assembly Corporation, and so much more. 2021 is an incredible time to be alive. We as humans have opportunities that we have never had in any other time in human history. If we want to educate ourselves through online platforms, we can do that. If we want to broadcast ourselves, if we want to teach others, we can do that. This is a time when the first woman has recently been to the Marianas Trench, the deepest part of our oceans. It is a time when we're proposing to send the first woman to the moon through NASA's Artemis missions, but we still have our work cut out for us. To date, only 12% of astronauts have been women. We know that women are underrepresented in careers in the STEM or science, technology, engineering, medicine, and mathematics fields. There's a saying that says, "Don't do it for me without me." And the exact same thing is true of progress for all of the human race. If we want to elevate all of humanity and push us forward to newer horizons, push boundaries, explore limits, push further, higher, faster into unknown territory, go further than we have before, then we need to do it with every single person, including women. We need to break down barriers, give women more access to education and opportunities, because when we do, when we elevate women, we'll see how far they go, and the results will knock you away. So thank you very much for having me here with you today to kick off this auspicious occasion. There are so many more boundaries to be broken down, both on Earth and in space, and it is my pleasure to be kicking off this wonderful event with you. So let's get to it. Let's elevate women. Let's give them the best possible opportunities, and let's push humanity to newer, higher, further limits. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of your event.